This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming supervision and enrollment because removal options depend on them. Check settings General VPN and device management. Once done, backup via iCloud or Finder so you can restore personal data later. Next, try the built-in removal. Open VPN and device management, select the MDM profile, then tap Remove Management and enter the device passcode when prompted. This succeeds when the profile allows user removal. Do this first because it's fastest and preserves apps and settings. If settings won't remove the profile, move to a Mac and use Apple Configurator 2 for a deeper restore. Connect the iPad with a good cable, trust the Mac, and follow Configurator's restore or prepare workflow. You'll need the latest configurator and Mac OS. Put the iPad into DFU or recovery mode so Configurator can reinstall iOS. Be aware, even a full restore won't prevent re-enrollment if the device is supervised via Apple School Manager. Removal there is required to stop future reapplication. Finish by confirming the profile is gone. Sign out of iCloud, erase if you use DFU/configurator, then restore your backup to get apps and data back. Make sure settings General About and VPN and device management show no management entry and test app access and restrictions. If the device keeps re-enrolling or removal is blocked, make sure to contact the school administrator to remove the iPad from Apple School Manager. Otherwise, Apple Configurator restores will only be temporary. Troubleshoot by updating tools and using an Apple-certified cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.